And new body camera video shows an encounter between Baltimore County Police and a man just minutes before an in-custody death.
You got to look at the whole video, and you got to look at all the facts and circumstances.
Well, police say back in January they were called to an Owings Mills business for a report of a suspicious person.
What unfolded after officers arrived was all captured on camera. Fox 45's Keith Daniels has more on that video and what it means for officers. Keith?
Well, Kai and Maxine, as mentioned, the incident happened in January. Investigators say the release of the video was delayed to allow more time to redact portions of the video to protect the privacy of the decedent and witnesses. And tonight, a closer look at the footage.
Get off of me! Get off of me!
An encounter involving a Baltimore County man and Baltimore County police officers under investigation after an in-custody death.
You got to calm down, Craig. No, you got to calm down.
The Maryland Office of the Attorney General, who's conducting the independent investigation, today releasing the police body-worn camera footage. The victim who died identified as 41-year-old Craig Cousin of Pikesville. Johnny Hughes,
You got to look at the whole video, and you got to look at all the facts and circumstances.
a retired U.S. Marshal and Maryland State Police officer, weighing in on the use of police body-worn cameras in general and his thoughts on this incident in particular.
Oh, everything I saw, I mean, the police did it by the book. People can lie, people can be deceptive, but when you have photographs or video or like forensics, I mean, that stuff doesn't lie.
The incident happened January 10th at Owings Mills near Reisterstown Road and Rosewood Lane. 5 officers responded after a 911 caller indicated a person was impaired and acting aggressively. Investigators say when officers arrived, they found a partially clothed man standing near a shattered drive-through window of a restaurant. The man was bleeding and acting erratically. Officers restrained him on the ground and placed him in handcuffs and leg restraints. Police called for medics while rendering aid. Paramedics transported the man to an area hospital where he was pronounced dead. Meanwhile, the release of the video. Hughes calling body-worn cameras a good thing for police departments, but also believes they could potentially hinder recruitment efforts, an impediment for some would-be applicants.
They think somebody's watching their every move and they're only going to show a certain part of the video that shows the aggressiveness of the police officer, but it doesn't show the aggressiveness of the individual that they're arresting.
Well, investigators say the 4 officers involved, all of them veterans of the department, ranging from 4 to 12 years experience. We're live tonight. Keith Daniels, Fox 45 News.